Tajvan je podoben svet kot Kitajska, torej ker že izvažamo vina in hrano na Kitajsko, predvidevamo, da tudi Tajvan pripravlja na naše izdelke. Tako da to je razlog, zakaj smo prišli na to srečanje danes, da ponudimo, kar že ponujemo kitajskemu potrošniku, tudi na Tajvan.
Ste z udeležbo zadovoljni, ste našli kakšne kontakte?
Ja, pogovori so bili zanimivi, tako da bomo pa videli, vsekakor bo treba še par obiskov oziroma besed z njimi, tako da upamo, da so pravi.
This time is our first time, our trade mission to come here. We want to do some business cooperation. We think maybe we have a chance, to cooperate with Slovenia. Yesterday, I just find Slovenia is a very good company, and your weather is good, your food is good, and your wine also good, and very organic. And so I think maybe in the near future we have a chance to cooperate. We also hope maybe your businessman can come to my country, Taiwan. I think it's a very good chance, very potential for our two countries cooperate. We are very strong in Taiwan, in electronics, in IT industry. So that's why we come here. And I think in the very near future, we'll come here once again.